Here is my bank employee tracker. Run this first. Run my seeds. Okay. Run my index. We're going to start with the first thing, add apartment. First thing we're going to add is a role. I'm going to give it a salary. We're going to assign it to Batman. We're going to give new employee, his name is going to be and last name is Drake. He's going to be a Robin. He's going to report to Bruce Banner. Okay. Well, there's all my departments. There's all my employees, including the new Michael Drake. We can see what everybody's in. There's all the roles. I can either remove. I'm going to get rid of Lazy Linda. She doesn't do much around the place anyways. I'm going to update employee role. I'm going to make Hot Potato a Robin. View everybody by department. Okay, now we got 2 Robins and a slightly less bit of HR.